feel like rain in the morning, giving me mixed emotions, and it's too much sometimes.
Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Torisedu, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to use aloe vera gel, juice, whatever you call it, on your natural hair. And I'm also going to be talking to you about the benefits of using aloe vera on your hair and why you should actually start using it on your natural hair journey or on your natural hair. So okay, we're going to start with parting my hair. I'm going to parting it into 4 ways. I already have my aloe vera juice here. If you want to know how I made this, I'll link the video in the description box on how I actually made this. So first, we're going to section my hair into 4 places. So I actually use aloe vera as my leave-in conditioner. I use it, it helps a lot in my hair journey, and I started using aloe vera back in 2020. Yes, yeah, I actually started in 2020. So what you're going to do is that you just spray the aloe vera in your hair. It's a little bit slimy and has a funky smell if you're not used to it, but yeah, you just spray it to the length of your hair. Don't forget your scalp, then you massage it in. Okay, so I'm going to start talking about the benefits. The first is that it strengthens hair, condition and repair hair strands. Aloe vera contains vitamin A, C and E. All 3 of these vitamins contribute to cell turnover, promoting healthy cell growth and shiny hair. Vitamin B12 and folic acid are also contained in aloe vera gel. Both of these components can keep your hair from falling out. It also contains proteolytic enzymes which repair dead skin cells on the scalp. It works as a conditioner and as a pre-poo. It promotes hair growth. It prevents itching on the scalp. It strengthens your hair. It protects your hair from UV damage. It's rich in amino acid. It's filled with vitamin A, C, E, B1, B2 and B6, which helps in cell growth. It locks in moisture, reduces frizziness, detangles hair, deep cleans oily hair, and also when your scalp has been cleansed and your hair has been conditioned with the aloe vera gel, you might see that hair breakage and hair loss slows down, and this is really good. So these are all the benefits of the aloe vera gel, and hopefully you can start using aloe vera gel on your hair. As you can see in the video, I'm massaging my scalp with the aloe vera gel, and when I'm done I'll come back. So I'm done with this section and I'm going to do the rest and come back. So I'm done applying my aloe vera juice to my hair, and this is how it's looking now. I got a little bit of shrinkage, but that's fine. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, and yeah, catch you in my next video. Bye.